Hi guys, it's Tina at Professional Money Matters. The internet has created countless opportunities for people to earn money online, many of which continue to pay out over time. This type of passive or residual income is money earned with little to no ongoing effort after the initial work is done. So, if you're looking to supplement your current income or to create a full-time online business, having residual streams of income can help you build financial stability and freedom. We get it. The idea of earning money online can be a bit intimidating, but don't worry. Our goal is to make this journey engaging and informative. We will share examples and tips that will not only inspire you, but also empower you to take action. If you're ready to discover how to build a sustainable income stream that works for you, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of various strategies to kickstart your journey toward financial freedom. Let's get started and unlock the potential of residual income together. Here are 4 easy ways you can generate residual income online in 2025. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. I know. Everybody talks about affiliate marketing, but that's because it is still one of the simplest and most effective ways to earn residual income online. Just by promoting other companies' products, you can earn a commission for every sale made through unique affiliate links. This business model has grown significantly over the years, and many companies offer generous commissions. Here's how it works. Sign up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Temu's affiliate and influencer program. Next, promote products or services through a blog, a website, a YouTube channel, or social media. Then sit back and wait. You will earn a commission for every sale generated through your affiliate links. Here's why it is still one of the best and easiest ways to earn residual income online. You don't need to make and store the products you promote, so there's no need for a large space to work in. You can do this part-time whenever you have a spare minute or two, and with free sign-up, there is little or no upfront investment. It also works well in combination with any online content you may already be creating. To get the maximum benefit from your affiliate earnings, focus on creating valuable content that ranks well on search engines. Consider writing product reviews, tutorials, and comparison content to organically drive traffic to your site. Number 2. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is a highly scalable way to make residual income. Unlike physical products, digital goods have no inventory costs, and once they are created, they can be sold repeatedly with no additional production costs. Some examples of digital products that you can sell online include ebooks and guides, online courses and webinars, printables and templates, think worksheets, guides, calendars, and planners, stock photos, videos, and music. And if you have the knowledge to make them, software, mobile apps, or plugins are also great choices. If you can make it digitally, you can sell it too. Getting started is easier than you'd expect. First, you need to identify a niche in which you have interest and expertise. Identify a need in this niche and create high-quality digital products that meet this need or solve some related problem. You can then sell your products through platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Teachable, or even on your own website. There is minimal ongoing maintenance once your product is created. The profit margins are high since there are no manufacturing or shipping costs, and the system can be automated with email marketing and paid advertising to drive continuous sales. Simple, right? One of the most effective ways to market your digital products is by building an audience through blogging, social media, or a YouTube channel. Once your audience trusts your expertise, they will be more likely to purchase your products. Number 3. Print on demand. Print on demand is a business model that allows you to design and sell custom products without having to maintain a stock of inventory on hand. Products are only printed and shipped when a customer places an order, making it a low-risk way to generate residual income. Print-on-demand products can be anything from t-shirts, hoodies, and hats to mugs and water bottles to phone cases and tote bags, and even posters and wall art. Getting started with print-on-demand is simple too. Sign up with a platform like Printful, Redbubble, or Spring. Create your own unique designs using tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator. Upload your designs to the platform of your choice and set your pricing. Then promote your store through social media, SEO, and paid ads. Pretty easy, right? No upfront inventory to invest in. The platform handles printing, shipping, and customer service, and the earning potential is limited only by the popularity of your designs. To increase sales, Focus on creating niche-specific designs that appeal to a passionate audience. Researching trends and seasonal opportunities can help you create products that attract consistent sales. Number 4. Create a subscription-based business. Subscription services have become a popular way to generate a steady stream of income, allowing creators and businesses to build a loyal customer base. This business model is among the most lucrative for generating residual income online because it provides recurring revenue. Instead of selling a product or service once, you earn money on a monthly or yearly basis by limiting access to your product through a paywall. Offering exclusive content or products on a recurring basis, you can create a reliable revenue model that benefits both you and your subscribers. To get started, platforms like Patreon offer tiered membership, making your content affordable to a range of customers. Provide value to each tier by granting fans access to exclusive content, behind-the-scenes insights, or personalized interactions based on payment level. For the more hands-on type, consider crafting subscription boxes to deliver curated products directly to customers' doors. This option does involve the investment of time and money, but comes with the built-in benefit of creating excitement and anticipation for each delivery. This type of service can provide a predictable income stream each month. The system can be automated with convenient scheduling and email marketing, making it nearly effortless once completed. And it builds a loyal community of subscribers who are willing to support you in your work. For best results, focus on offering continuous value to keep subscribers engaged. Regular updates, community interactions, and exclusive bonuses can help retain members and reduce churn rates. Thanks to the vast array of digital tools and platforms available, generating residual income online has never been easier. As we wrap up, it is important to remember that taking action is the key. Success requires commitment and effort. Earning income with these strategies takes time, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you will be on your way to earning the life that you deserve. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.